Hello guys, this is our project Bluetooth based locking system. Now we will demonstrate how this thing works. Actually this is our LCD screen which we will place inside the door. This will show the state of the lock, that is whether if the lock is engaged or disengaged. This is our PIC microcontroller which has all the programs managing all the locking mechanisms and all those things. And here is our this thing. This is our PIC. This is our Bluetooth chip, that is Bluetooth transceiver. And this thing is motor driver IC. And this is a sample motor. This will revolve clockwise and in anti-clockwise direction to signify locking and unlocking. So let's begin. So here you can see that initially the lock is in engaged position. Now my friend Manish will disengage the lock by sending the code opens, OPENS. Perhaps you would have not noticed what happened. He will now perform closing and you can see what all things are going to happen. Manish, could you please just close that? See, that motor moved in anti-clockwise direction and this LED is now high and the lock engaged state is being shown in this LCD. Now he will open, my friend will open this lock. Alright, see, now the lock is disengaged. The LED which shows the status of the lock is off, and as you saw the motor is has unlocked the system. Now let's see the movement of motor. Open, no, just close. Okay, now open. Just a minute. Okay Manish, could you repeat that please? Now please open. As you guys can see, when the lock is disengaged, the LED goes off. Please repeat. Now the lock is engaged and the LED is high again. So that's our project. It's a very simple project, but we were doing it for the first time, so it was not that easy to get the output and all, but we hope that we can do better projects in future. Thanks for watching.